Let's begin by adding some water into a saucepan. Remember to take enough water so that all the pieces of pear will be submerged. Now add few pieces of cinnamon into the water. Once water is warm, slowly drop in the pears. Now allow the water to come to a boil. Switch off the stove, cover the saucepan and keep aside for some time. This is to ensure that the pear absorbs the flavor of cinnamon. Now remove each piece of pear onto a plate and let it come to room temperature. Refrigerate them for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Just before serving, add a tablespoon of condensed milk on each piece of pear and enjoy this simple yet tasty dessert with your family and friends.